Dear students, Sridhar CC is coming up with the new batch 4. This is for English medium students who are preparing for all competitive examinations like banking, staff selection commission, and railway recruitment. So we are starting this new batch 4 for English medium students on 14th September 2020. So for which all exams this particular batch is useful? For all IBPS exams and SBI exams, RRB exams, regional rural bank, RBA assistant, insurance exams, and PGDBF exams, FCA and EPFO. And when it comes to SSC and railway recruitment, almost 60% of the subject is already covered here, except pure mathematics and general studies. Remaining, we are covering in this particular batch. So those who are preparing for SSC and RRB, they need to prepare GS and then pure maths apart from this particular content, which is there in batch 4. Now subjects offered here. These are the subjects we are offering. Reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, current affairs, computer awareness, and banking awareness. We are going to cover each and every topic in all these subjects. In every chapter, we are going to deal in two different ways. One is basic level, the other one is advanced level. In basic level, we will cover the content which is required for preliminary examination, and advanced level is to clear mains level examinations. So we are going to cover each chapter in two different phases. Phase 1, that is basic level to clear preliminary examination. Phase 2, which is advanced level, and that is useful for your mains exam. So keeping in mind that examination process, we have designed course like this. And then it takes only 450 plus hours to deal with only subject we are talking about. Apart from subjects, we conduct chapter wise test and its explanation, grand test and their explanations, and those are not counted in 450 hours. Whatever we are discussing here, 450 hours, this is meant to cover basic level and advanced level concepts in all the subjects. On top of it, we will have test and their explanations. Test in the sense, there are two different tests. Number one, topic wise test. We will have explanation for it, and at the same time, along with this, we will also have grand test which are useful for preliminary and then mains exams both. And classes and explanation material, everything will be in only English language. PDF material is also provided. You can download that PDF material for your future purpose. Whenever you want to revise or if you want to practice, you can use that. And that will be also in English medium. Now, topic-wise test. For each and every subject that we have mentioned here in this particular course, we will conduct exams. Reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, banking awareness, current affairs, month-wise, and then current computer awareness. For all these subjects, we will cover chapter-wise test. And when it comes to batch 4, there are three different packages available: 3 months package, 6 months package, 12 months package. So what is meant by 3 months package? If you go for 3 months package, whatever services that we are rendering here, those services you can use only for 3 months, and after 3 months you cannot watch videos and you cannot write exams. And if it is 6 months program, if it is 12 months package, so whatever the respective time of package you are purchasing, only that particular period you can access either videos or write the examinations. Now in 3 months package structures, what is that we are going to get? You'll get 450 classroom teaching, which includes basic and advanced level, which is common for 3 months, 6 months, and then 12 months. There is no difference at all. PDF copies will be there, that will be in English medium, topic wise test on all the chapters, and first 3 points are quite common for any package. Difference comes here: monthly model test and then explanation. Prelims, you'll get 12 to 13, mains 6. Why like this? Now, preliminary examination, we conduct exam on every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, we will conduct exam, and explanation also will be there. And every second Sunday and fourth Sunday of every month, we will conduct mains examination. Hence, in 3 months package, you can write 12 to 13 preliminary examinations and 6 mains examination if the candidate chooses for 3 months package. And access for special live classes is there, will be there for only 3 months. So based on the requirement, we will conduct a special live classes. If you go for 3 months package, you can use it for 3 months. If you go for 6 months, you can use it for 6 months. So whatever the service that we are rendering here, we are giving here, we are providing here, you can access only for the time mentioned in your package. Now 3 months current affairs will be there and can watch a number of times. Any number of times you can watch. There is no restriction on it. Now where exactly then difference comes? Now let me show you. This is our 6 months program. First thing is you have a time for 6 months. Every question, every video, every exam you can access in 6 months. Current affairs you'll get 6 months, and the more benefit is there in monthly model test. Monthly model test 24 to 26 preliminary examinations and mains 12 examinations. Along with this, the special live classes access will be there for 6 months. This is very, very important. So whatever the recent changes that are coming in recent examinations, if at all, if you find something, then we will come up with the new content with new models accurate to on par with the examination process. We will take those type of classes in special live classes. So you'll get more information in special live classes. So that access will be there for 6 months here. And when it comes to 12 months package, 12 months package, number of tests variation is there. Preliminary examination 48 to 52, and then mains examinations 24, and special live classes access is there for 12 months, and 12 months current affairs will be provided. And the most important, and we will send you printed material to your home, and that printed material will includes your classroom exercise as well as your practice exercise also. In 3 months and then 6 months, we don't send you printed material, but instead we will send you we will post PDF copy, and you can download that PDF copy. But whereas for 12 months program, we will send the material to your home. Now when it comes to faculty team, so for English we have Murthy sir and Naresh sir. Murthy sir takes care of complete subject, and Murthy sir and Naresh sir both will take combinedly test explanations. So combinedly they will take test explanations, but Murthy sir is going to deal only subject. Now reasoning team, Sesi sir and then Prudvi sir, both will take care of complete reasoning, which is required for preliminary examination to mains level. And then banking awareness, Sheikh Mobin sir, and current affairs, Reshma madam, and quantitative aptitude, I'm Sudhir Chakravarti. So this is our faculty team. So now if you want to join this particular online course, how to join it? Just open www.sridharcc.com. This is our Sridhar CC official website, www.sridharcc.com. When you open it, on top banner, here we have online course. Just click on it. There is a batch here, batch number 4, and then batch number 3. Batch number 3 is a bilingual, that will be in English and Telugu both. So now we are talking about batch number 4. So here in batch number 4, we have 3 different packages. Whatever package you want to purchase, just click on purchase. It will take you to new page, and here if you already have account, just log in and then complete the payment process. You should be you should be a login user and should click on terms and condition. Then proceed to pay button will activate. Then you can go for proceed. Otherwise, if you don't have already account in it, here you can click here to register. Click here to register. First register yourself, Then you try to complete the payment process. Once you are done with payment process, you can directly access all the videos from your dashboard. Still, if you have any issues or any concerns or any queries, do call us on 950 or online.sridharcc@gmail.com. So we request you to stay at home, stay safe, and then stay prepared. Wish you all good health. Thank you.